So we're working on solving quadratic equations. Today we're solving by factor. So if x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, we want to find what x equals. So we've got two choices. Yesterday we talked about we could graph and then find the x-intercepts. Okay, our other choice would be to factor. We set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So we know that if we get two factors, two things that multiply together that equal 0, a times b equals 0 is true if either a is 0 or if b is 0. 0 times b would be 0, or a times 0 would be 0. So if either one of them is 0, then the statement would be true. So let's look at this example. The first one is already factored for us. So we get b plus 5 equals 0, and b minus 1 equals 0. Here I subtract 5 from both sides, so b equals negative 5. Here I add 1 to both sides, so b equals 1. Okay, next one we have to do the factoring for. So my AC is negative 24, and my b is 2. Things that multiply to negative 24, you do 6 and negative 4, would be negative 24, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So I get t plus 6 times t minus 4 equals 0. So I know that t plus 6 equals 0, and I know that t minus 4 can equal 0. So subtract 6 from both sides, t equals negative 6, add 4 to both sides, and t equals 4. Okay, this one I don't have 0 on the other side. First thing I need to do is bring everything over to the left. That cancels out, so I get x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So my AC is 2, and my B is 3. So I could do 1 times 2, so I get x plus 1 times x plus 2 equals 0. So x plus 1 equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0. If I subtract 1 from both sides, I get x equals negative 1. And if I subtract 2 from both sides, I get x equals negative 2. Okay, this one, my AC is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. My B is 12. So I need the things that multiply to 36 that add up to 12. We could do 6 and 6. So I get 4n plus 6 and 4n plus 6 equals 0. I have to divide by 4. Neither of them divide nicely by 4, but I could take a 2 out of both. So I'm going to end up with 2n plus 3 and 2n plus 3 equal to 0. Set them each equal to 0. Same thing, so I can do it just once. Subtract 3 from both sides. I get 2n equals negative 3. And then divide everything by 2. So n is going to equal -3/2. And there's just one solution to this one.